Enjoy a beautiful life, y'all. Let's get into the shower head installment. I'm going in with my ryamen shower head 8-inch rainfall in the handheld shower combo. Shout out to the winners who won this. So to start your shower head, make sure you're running your hot water for at least 1 to 2 minutes before going in with your wrench to take it off. I learned this from an expert. It just helps like loosen the joints so that it comes off easier. So you just keep spinning with your wrench and then boom, it should come right off your old head. And then go in with your water thread tape around a few times to just make sure no leaks come through. And then here's like the little handle thing in the head, so I just twist that on before I put it on the main base. So twist that on with your hands before going in with your wrench, and it should just stick right on. Then I go on with my wrench to tighten it. I did want to note with this shower head, make sure you do not remove the little grids right here. See, I did a close-up. Don't remove those because you don't want any leaks. So just keep it on. Even though it says in the instruction remove, you can keep it on because you don't want that leaking. Here's a little shower head that we're going to twist on real quick, like so, like that. This is like a, and I love about the shower head is it's height adjustable. So I just move it down and you can twist it to tighten it. My daughter is short, she's 7, so I moved it down to the lowest setting, and then I put in one of the first connector on and just twist that to the base, and then the second shorter connector goes to the handheld shower part you will see in a second. Here's the handheld shower, so just put that on and connect it as well. So yeah, you just keep twisting that on. Then I'm gonna go in with the handheld holder. This thing sticks, y'all. It's still holding up, so just stick that on, and then it holds your handheld shower piece nice and easy. So yes, that's the installment. It's pretty easy, y'all. I just put on my daughter's shower caddy. See, and it's so easy to remove and adjust how you want the little connectors to be. So I had to move that around to fit around the caddy. And I just stuck that nice and on and went in and put her eucalyptus. Eucalyptus helps with like respiratory things and breathing and relaxation of the muscles. So that's why I use it. I get that question a lot in my videos. But y'all, that was it. Like, it's only like a 5-step tutorial. So super easy to install this. And now I'm going to show y'all how the water works on it. So you just press down the little button, and then boom, that's how your handheld part works. It has like 5 spray settings, I want to say. Super powerful. This is so good for washing hair. Now it has this water saver button, and also this is how you switch from the main shower head to the low shower head. See, I just pressed it on the other side and it turned on the main shower head. So that is how you adjust each section to go to the handheld versus the main shower head. And that is it. Enjoy y'all beautiful new shower head by ryamen brand, and stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to get them uploaded.